So hello guys, welcome back to my channel Technomate. So today I have come up with a special interesting topic, that is about the Face app. So for past few days, many of the famous actors, cricketers has shared their photo of about how they would look 60 years from now. They created their photos through an app, and we could see their photos in various social medias like Instagrams, Facebooks. Everyone has been started uploading their own photos in various social medias. Even some of us would have tried this app, but still many of people do not know how to use or create their own one. So in this video I am going to show you how to create our own or how to see our future face. So after watching this video, you would be able to create your own future face photo. So make sure that you watch the video till the end, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's start. So first of all, go to Play Store and search for Face app, and I have installed this app yesterday night. At that time the downloads was 50 million, above 50 million, and now it crossed 100 million. So many of the people downloaded it. So after installing, open the app. So you need to either slide this right or tap next, start. So this is the main menu of this Face app, and here we have 3 faces for demo, and above that we could choose our photo either from the gallery or Facebook, or we could directly search here for the famous people. So first of all, you need to allow access to your photos. So tap allow. So now either you choose your photo from this space, or at the top tap gallery, and from here you could choose the photo that you wish to edit. So for time being I am selecting this photo, and this will take a couple of seconds, nearly 10 seconds. So for now I will show you how to edit this photo. So here at the bottom we have many filters. So to see your future face, you need to select the age filter, and here you have original, old, and 2 young filters. So now to make your face old, you need to select old. Now as you can see, Messi has turned old. Now you can either apply this filter or you can cancel it. So now I am applying this filter. So if need, we can further edit this photo. So if you select the beard filter, you could make him beard, or for some filters you need to pay and get the pro version, but still many of the filters are free. So now I am applying this filter, and we could also make him smile like this. We do have many filters here, so I am suggesting everyone to try each and every filters, so that you can edit your photo at the best. So if you are satisfied with the editing, now you can save this photo. For saving, at the top right you could see a download option, so tap it, and now it shows that the photo has been saved successfully. So you can share this photo directly from here to Instagram, Facebook, and you could share it to WhatsApp itself. So like this you could edit or see your future face. So to view the edited photos, you need to go to home screen and go to albums. Here you could see a folder named as Face app. By tapping it, you could see the photo, and this was the photo which I have edited. So in this way you could create your own photos and by using this app you would be able to see your future face. So I request everyone to use this app itself, and I would give the link at the description box below. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.